y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rocio and this is Risa's Rizzos, and obviously my curls are gone, but we're gonna do everything possible in this video to bring them back. So last week I straightened my hair doing a roller set. So I went to my friend Chissel, who is also my hairstylist. So if you're living in the city of New Orleans and you're looking for a hairstylist that is familiar and who knows how to deal with curly hair, then definitely go check her out. I'll leave her information down in the description box below. Like I said, we did a roller set. I didn't film it because I was extremely exhausted because it was literally the day after my Friendsgiving. So even though I didn't film the process of her doing the roller set on my hair, I already have a video where I've done a roller set on my own hair. So if you're interested in seeing that video and learning about how to do a roller set on your own, then I'll also leave a link down to that video in the description box below. So I've had my hair straight for about a week and I miss my curls. So we're gonna do everything possible to get my curls back in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is week-old straight hair. Now Giselle did a roller set, and on my last 2 days, I did go over some pieces with a straightening iron. Girl, let's just say a quick prayer together because I'm a little nervous. I did use a heat protectant though, and pretty low heat on my straightener, but my ancestors were starting to show and I just wasn't ready to wash my hair yet, okay? So at this point, no amount of dry shampoo can save me now. So first step is to wake my curls up. I'm using water and a Denman brush, and I'm basically going to wake my curls up a section at a time. I like this method because I feel like it's less shock diving straight into the shower and fooling with my hair. The last time I did that was several years ago, and we all know how that turned out. So I'm working from the bottom up, taking a little section and spraying it with water. Then I brushed out my now wet hair, and it's at this point that you might want to say a Hail Mary, pray an Our Father, or do whatever you gotta do, but we're going to get these curls back. Not gonna lie, I was sincerely worried for a second, but then I noticed my ends were starting to curl better, and that's when I knew I'd be all right. I moved on to the next section and did the same, just watered my hair and brushed it out. Now I like using the Denman brush for this because it usually helps with definition. I don't know, I find this process a bit therapeutic. It's just a way to remind yourself to be one with your curls, waking them up with each spray, like a flower that needs water to bloom, or some kind of metaphorical moment, you know what I mean. This process took me about 10 minutes, could be less for you. I mean, I was trying to get all this on film, so it took me a bit, or it could be more for you depending on how much hair you have. Remember, I have low density, aka not that much hair to work with, so yeah. The next thing I like to do is give my scalp a good massage before washing. Now, I personally like to use a little Jamaican black castor oil. Why does it matter if I'm about to wash my hair anyway? Well, the massage itself is going to help lift any dirt, build up. Remember, I used a bit of dry shampoo this week, dead skin cells, etc., etc. But now that we've woken up our curls, the cuticles are reaching for some kind of moisture and nutrients, so providing these benefits of Jamaican black castor oil at the root just helps to strengthen the hair a bit more. I'm also using the scalp massaging shampoo brush. I've got a link to this thingamabob in the description box below, but I love using it for scalp massages because it does a really great job at lifting dirt and whatnot from the scalp, but also get the blood flowing to the scalp area. I've also got a video on this thing, so you can watch that after this video. I leave the Jamaican black castor oil in for about 20 minutes. You can wash right away if you prefer that. I just like to have the oil sit there for a bit. This wash day is a process, okay? Now washing. I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo. It's got shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I absolutely love this shampoo when it comes to strengthening my curls. Now I usually only focus on the scalp, but this time I'm going to bring the shampoo through the rest of my curls. While this shampoo is great with cleansing, it's also really great at moisturizing, so we want to replenish as much moisture as possible. I rinse it out with warm water and put my hair up in a t-shirt to dry a bit before the next step. I'm following with a protein treatment. Y'all, I've said it many times before. This is the protein treatment I swear by. It's packed with benefits for your hair and will pop your curls back into shape. It's perfect for anyone who's transitioning, but I believe it's also great when it comes to reverting back to curly hair after straightening your hair, whether you used heat or not. I've got a link to this video in the description box below, and in that video, I tell you exactly how to make it and why it's so beneficial. But y'all, it has incredible slip and makes applying it and detangling your hair so easy. When I'm done, you can use the baggy method, which I show you in my protein treatment video, or you can use some kind of heat cap. I'm using the hothead heat cap. I'm gonna leave that in for about 45 minutes to an hour and then rinse it out gently. Now my camera dies here, but just so you know, I didn't follow up with any other conditioner or deep conditioner because this treatment is moisturizing enough. Just make sure that you thoroughly rinse the treatment out of your hair. Now, if you don't have anywhere to go, girl, give your hair a break. Just let it be for a little bit, but If you want to style, go with something light. So today I'm using the Design Essentials Naturals Leave-In Conditioner. An alternative to this could be the Kinky Curly, not today, but since I know this leave-in goes really well with my next product, I had to use them together. So after applying my leave-in, I'm following with the Design Essentials Naturals Curl Enhancing Mousse. I forgot how much I love this product. It's one of my favorite mousses because it's really lightweight. You don't need a lot of product, but it still gives you great definition and leaves my curls hydrated and moisturized. I rake that all in my hair, and then I give my curls a good scrunch to encourage a stronger curl pattern, and then I air dried. I skipped the diffuser this day because, like I said, I just want to give my hair a rest from any form of heat. I'd highly recommend scrunching your styled hair with a microfiber towel, or even better, an Aquas towel, because this will definitely help speed up the drying process. But yeah, honestly, this is about 2.5 to 3 hours later. The curls are back. Not only are they back, but I gave them strength, which is what they needed after being straight for a week. Thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to read the description box below. I've got more information about what I went through when I straightened my hair that could answer a lot of your questions. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and let me know in a comment below what you'd like me to film next. I'm doing these videos for y'all. I've got a hairstyle video coming this Saturday, so stay tuned. I love y'all. Un besito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.